When a person is deeply relaxed, slow rhythmic sine wave patterns can be detected in both the EEG and the heart aorta resonating oscillator in the 6 to 8 hertz range. Resonance occurs when the natural vibration frequency of a body is greatly amplified by the vibrations at the same frequency from another body. In other words, a person who is meditating deep in meditation can train the synapses in their brain to resonate at 7.83 hertz. 7.83 hertz is the greatest resonation of charged particles in the Schumann cavity, which is the cavity between the ground and the bottom of the ionosphere. There is a fluctuation of charged particles in this cavity that fluctuates at 7.83 hertz. It is a healing frequency, and I'm going to show you how, if you can't do it through meditation, how you can do it with a device. Dr. Robert Beck was the first to create these devices, and I am just showing you how I have had great success building one of my own. This device right here is a DDS function generator. It's a digital arbitrary waveform generator. Right now I have it set to 7 hertz on a sine wave frequency. I have it coming out of my synthesizer, and it is connected to my voltage meter. I have it set to millivolts because we're not using a lot of current or a lot of volts because we don't need that many. What it does is it comes out of my generator, and one goes to this electrode, the other goes to this electrode. Basically, I wet the electrodes with a solution of iodine, silver, and sodium chloride, and sodium bicarbonate. Just to help the pads, just to wet the pads properly and give proper contact. What this does is these will clip onto your earlobe. This clips onto one earlobe. This clips onto the other earlobe. And I'll connect. This one connects to this one earlobe. Earlobe. And the other connects to the other earlobe. Earlobe. Now we are connected to the generator. I'm going to turn the generator on. Okay. Turn the generator on. Sine wave 7 hertz. I turn it on. Okay. And now we can see the adjustment of the voltage as I'm going to turn it down a little bit. And turn it up until we can feel the vibration in the ear lobes. Ooh, there we go. Now I am passing 1,000 millivolts, 1,100 millivolts between each earlobe at 7 hertz using the sine wave frequency. And this is similar to the Robert Beck Brain Tuner device. That's my version of the Robert Beck. That's my version of the Robert Beck Brain Tuner. I'll go over it one more time. This is just a DDS function generator. Creates arbitrary waveforms on any frequency that I desire, whether it be sawtooth, reverse sawtooth, square, sine wave. Or triangle wave. Look at the triangle wave. I set it to the frequency I want. I adjust my amplitude so I can get my amplitude up there. And I have it connected to each earlobe. 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 My pads are soaked in colloidal silver and iodine mixed with sodium chloride and sodium bicarbonate in this right here. That's just a little bit of liquid that I soak the pads in before I put them on. And then the wires just come directly to my earlobes. And it sends a current from one ear to the other. There you have it.